Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here with 7 quick methods on how to fix this video cannot be played Google Drive. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to notified when our new video lands. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Google Drive needs stable and high-speed internet to play the videos stored in your cloud storage. So, check if you have a stable internet connection. If not, consider resetting your router and refreshing your connection. To do this, plug out the router from the main power, wait for some time and plug in back. Solution 2. Ensure that the video file type is supported. Google Drive supports various video formats, but not all of them. Video formats that you can play on Google Drive include 3GPP, AVI, FLV, MPEG-4, MPEG-PS, MOV, MTS, WebM, and WMV. If Google Drive doesn't support your video, simply convert it and upload it again. Solution 3. Clear cache and cookies. Clear cache and cookies on web browser. Open Google Chrome web browser, and click on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner. From the menu, Clear Browsing Data option. In the menu that opens, choose a specific time range or you can select All Time option. Then check the boxes Cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Finally, click on the Clear Data option to initiate the clearing process. Solution 4. Repair video with Video Repair Tool. You might be bumping into the problem because your video is corrupted. In this case, repair the video with Video Repair Tool. It can repair all sorts of video formats like MOV, MP4, AVI, UFSH, MKV, WMV and other video file formats. Besides, this software can repair flickery, stuttery, jerky, unplayable videos. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Solution 5. Disable hardware acceleration. Here are the steps to follow to disable hardware acceleration on the Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome and click on the 3-dot icon at the top right corner. Click on the Settings option from the menu. When the Settings window opens, select the System option from the left panel. Turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available option. Relaunch Google Chrome again and play the video file on Google Drive again. Solution 6. Open the video in new window. To open the video in a new window, right-click on the problematic video in Google Drive, and select Preview. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen, and select Open in New Window option. Solution 7. Update your browser. Open Google Chrome and click on the 3-dot icon at the top right corner. Go to the Help option, and click on the About Chrome option. Google Chrome will start searching for the latest version, and if available, it will start updating the browser instantly. Once updated, you need to relaunch Chrome by clicking on the Relaunch button. After that, you can play the video file on Google Drive again to find out if the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.